Hello everyone, meet me again with me, Miss Fenisha Anggraini. Welcome to the 7 sessions in our lesson Cross-Culture Understanding. So far, we have talked a lot related to the culture, gender issue and other things. Well, are you interested in studying about the culture now? Okay, well students, in this session, we're going to discuss about social relation, how they differ from culture to culture, and the objectives of this session is you are able to explain the social relation, how the degree of formality in language reflects the value in society, formal and informal language in introductions. Okay. Well, and the specific objectives is you are asked to be able to explain the degrees of formality in the English language and how those degrees reflects the value of native English speakers. You will be able to explain formal and informal language in introduction to, in expression agreement or disagreement, and in asking for permissions. Well, students, I hope you enjoy a discussion and don't forget to submit your work, your assignment for the third assignment in assignment column. Okay, enjoy your learning, students.